We're going to take you through a manifesting technique. Are you ready? We're going to walk you up. I want you to think about what things you'd like to manifest in your life. Think about 5 different things. So it's good to give your mind a list. Just like a grocery list, your mind will start to check things off. So I want you to take a deep breath in and blow it out really slowly. Take another deep breath in and blow it out really slowly. Now I want you to imagine energy coming in through the bottom of your feet, moving up through your body, moving up through the top of your head, making a beautiful ball of light. I want you to pretend you're in that ball of light. Now I want you to imagine that you can see out of that light, and it's any color that you want, transparent, of course. And I want you to imagine going up past the universe, as if you could go past the entire universe. And now I want you to imagine you're going through layers of light, through a golden light, through a thick, watery or jelly-like substance that's thick and kind of dark but changes colors a little bit. And now I want you to imagine going into a tingly white light. This is the energy of creation. This is the life force. This creates everything. And I want you to say, Creator of all that is, it is requested that this is in my life now. And I want you to think about what you want in your life. Imagine it in your life completely. What does it feel like? What does it look like? When you're finished imagining it, I want you to say, thank you, it is done, it is done, it is done. Now I want you to go back sitting in that tingly white light, knowing that you are surrounded by the life force, the creative energy of all that is, that everything is in the highest vibration. And I want you to open your eyes.